everyone, I am Zayan. Today I'll show you how to make these flowers out of tissue paper. Doesn't this look beautiful, my friends? And Valentine's Day is next to the corner, so you can give it to your loved ones. So let's get started.
For this you'll need a tissue paper, some colors, a rubber, some thread and staplers. So the first step is to take some tissue papers. Here I am using 5 and then keep them straight like this. So after keeping them properly, you have to fold one time towards the front and then one time towards the back like this. It is like the way you make a paper fan, but instead with 5 tissue papers. But you can take as many tissue papers as you want. Now you have to put a rubber band or a stapler in the middle, but I am going to use a thread, and then you should tie it tightly and nicely. After that, you have to cut the thread. After that, we have to take each sheet of paper very gently and carefully. And after that, you can take as many tissue papers as you want and make as many flowers. See, now it looks like a flower, right? If you take the sheets out very carefully. Doesn't it look beautiful, my friends? See, our first flower is almost ready. So now I'm making the second flower with the same steps as the first flower. But after folding, you can cut it. We can cut it in any shape, U shape, V shape. But whichever shape you cut it in will determine the shape of the flower. After cutting, we have to follow the same steps as the first one, like tying it with a thread or rubber band or with a stapler and taking it out very gently and carefully. So now you can see the difference between the first flower and the second one, and it also looks very. So now for decoration we are using two colors of glitter, golden and blue. We are also going to use glue to stick the glitter on the flower. After putting glue on the flower, put the glitter down in some other sheet of paper and then dip the flower in. Doesn't it look beautiful? And it also looks quite glittery. Now for the second flower I'm going to use sketch color. You can use any sketch color you want, but I am going to use pink and orange. After picking the sketch color, you have to put the color on the top of the flower. Like this. See, both of the flowers are ready. Don't they look very beautiful, my friends? You can also use different colored tissue papers. They are available. Here I am using blue. Now you can also use a green pipe cleaner and then stick it to the bottom of the flower like this and then make a stem. Now this flower can be used for many things like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Teacher's Day or Valentine's Day. You can use the flower for home decoration at the same time. You can take a basket and then fill all the flowers in it. Like this. See, don't the flowers in the basket look beautiful, my friends?